Would you like to learn to make sticker packs of your art for Redbubble? Keep watching. Hi everyone! I made a video recently about how to make stickers of your art for Redbubble and other print-on-demand sites. I went through how to make stickers of both art with and without a background, but I forgot to mention you can also make sticker packs, meaning multiple stickers in one listing. Let's go through the beginning fast, cause I've already talked about it in previous videos, which I'll link below or somewhere on the video. If you're making stickers of your traditional art, start by taking a photo or scanning the art in at least 300 dpi resolution for printing. I normally use 600 dpi. Next, edit the art. I'm using the free image editing software GIMP. Edit the levels or the brightness and contrast and sharpness. Crop and rotate the image if needed, and you can use the clone tool to hide any dust or imperfections. Next, you need to cut out the background. You could use the color selection tool, scissor select tool or free select tool on GIMP and export as PNG. Watch my previous videos to see this in more detail. Now we're up to date and have the images we want to use for the sticker pack with transparent backgrounds as one or multiple PNG files. So you need to leave enough space between the stickers so they won't touch when the white or transparent border is added in the printing. If they're touching, they won't be printed and cut out as individual stickers. I'm combining these three flowers into a sticker pack. I'll make a new image with a transparent background that's big enough to fit all three of them. You can see the size of each image in the top bar above the tools in GIMP. Go to File, New and set the image size. I'm setting it to 8000 by 5000 pixels. And fill with transparency in the advanced options. Now you can drag and drop each image onto the new canvas and move them so that there's some space between them. If the canvas is too big, you can crop it by selecting the area you want to keep with the rectangle tool and then going to Image and Crop to Selection. Export the image as PNG to keep the transparent background. You can also save it as an XCF file so you can open it again in GIMP and easily move the layers later if you need to. Now let's go to Redbubble. Upload to all products, choose your file, and after it's done uploading, let's see the sticker. It looks okay here in the preview, but check the actual product view by saving the listing. I'm saving the listing as private for now to check if the sticker pack looks okay. After this, I would continue to edit the other product types, do the title, description, tags, adding to collections and groups, and save it as public. Check the preview for all sticker types. As I'm making the video, Redbubble has 3 sticker types and some of them might have a larger border, so make sure all of the sticker previews look okay. Also, note that if you're adding an outline to your images, Redbubble has stickers with both a white background and a transparent one, so your extra white outline might look funny on a transparent sticker, even though it doesn't show up on the white border sticker. So this one worked out quite nice. There's enough space between the flowers to be cut out as individual stickers. But let's take another example where the images are too close together and fix it. So in this leaf set, 3 of the leaves are too close together and the white borders are touching, so they won't come out as individual stickers. I'll open it in GIMP. It's a PNG file with a transparent background. I'll make a new image with a transparent background that's a bit wider, so I can space out the leaves more. The original is about 3000 by 4800 pixels. I'll make the new one 3500 by 5000 pixels, and I can crop it afterwards if it's too big. To move the leaves, I'll select them with the free select tool and then cut them out and paste back in with Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Then go to the floating selection in the Layers tab and right click and select to new layer. Do this to each one, or at least each one except the last one, and then you can move all of them individually and place them a little further apart. Export as PNG and upload to Redbubble by going to Manage Portfolio, find the listing and select Edit from the settings icon. Then go to Stickers, click Edit and Replace Image and choose the new image. Save it and check if it looks okay. Stickers tend to be the best-selling products for many artists on Redbubble, but you might end up getting like 20 cents per sticker or sticker pack. However, since stickers don't cost that much for the customer, many sellers increase their profit margins for stickers and don't notice a decline in sales. So if you've set your profit margin on stickers to something like 20% as I had, you might want to consider increasing it. Some people even set it as high as 100 or 150% apparently, but I'll go with 50% for now. You can find the profit margins in your account settings and product pricing. If you're interested in making fan art stickers on Redbubble and other POD sites, check out my video from last week. I'll be making POD related videos all month, so see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching, bye!